Welcome back, guys, to a new video. So this is our day 9 of our Python series. So we are just moving very fast in our Python series. This is day 9 and you are learning the if else. I think you will be completing this if else series in 20 days. I will be thinking that it should be take up to 30 days, but you will be just complete in 20 days only. So it's very good practice that you are learning it very easily. So if you like the video and if you like my concept, just comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Let's start the video without wasting any time. Wasting any time. So here is the code, all the if else statement. It's about 40 lines, you can see. So in last video what we have done, that I have told you that there is if else. By using if and else we can do it. In the if statement, we will write our first statement and then just do any comparison, that is this thing is this. Then if this the result of the statement is true, then it will print this, else it will print this. Okay, so mm, you won't get that now, but if I tell you this is a normal statement, like if I open cmd and then just control c this thing, go here, pyth and python, sorry, prind, I also need to write print over here. Oh, okay, okay. Is the problem of age? What's the age? 18. 18. True. You see, this statement gives true. So, this output, um, uh, the output of this thing is true. So, this statement will be printed. At the place of 18, if I write 17, then we will get false. False, then this will be printed. Now you got it. This if else statement is fully dependent on true and false. If the statement gives true, then this statement will be printed, else this one. So like assume you just need to write a multiple statement, like in this case of like grade system, you need to write multiple things. So if uh, we use elif for this thing, the python does what? Here's the marks. Now if marks means 75 is means if the marks, any marks is entered, any marks is greater than or equals to 90, then it will say grade A. It is grade A. Wait a minute, I'll just comment it out. Now it's good. um so okay, it will say grade A. If the marks are equals to or above 60, then it will say it is grade B. Okay, and if the marks are equals to greater than 40, it will say grade C, else fail. Okay, so here is the, what is happening here, like 75 is here. So 75 is greater than or equals to 90. No, so this statement will say it's false. I don't care about that. Then Python will go to second line. See, elif is there. So the Python will hand it over the statement. The statements will say, yes, it's true. Then the Python will say, okay, it's true. Then I will print this statement. and then this all will be skipped out. Okay, you got it. Means if this statement gives true, then Python will do anything that is given over here. Then Python skips that away and then goes to the next statements. Now we got it. Like if these three all false, Python will go this and stop this thing. Means this printing thing, and if this is working, then Python won't go in these statements. Okay, this is if elif means only one statement will be going to just calculated or performed, not anything else will be calculated or performed. I think now you got it. This is very simple thing that I have told you. Okay, now like if you don't want this thing, you want like a name. In the case of strings you can get it all over, but that we are going to be do we are going to doing that thing in the string operation videos, not now. But like you see, if you got that need to using two things at a single place only, so you can do it like this. You have two statements. I have told you the and in the operators video. If you haven't watched that, go and watch that video first. Okay, so this is the normal statement and this is the normal statement. I have already told you. Okay, so now if age equals to 18, what the age is over there? 18. Okay, I think. Yeah, okay, is function is not defined. It's okay, not not that important. So if is equals to 18, let we suppose age is equals to we choose this thing. Age equals to 8 greater than or equals to 18. So this statement gives true, yes, because age is greater than. And then if age is less than or equals to 60, okay, it is this statement is also giving true. Then this whole statement because of the end will give true. Like if at that place of um, this is not any age, but I know that now this statement will give true, but this won't give true because this is greater than 60. Now you got it. So I will just keep it 25. Now I think you got it. It's very easy thing. That if you watch the operators video, you will get it more um easily. But I think you get it. Means these are two statements. Okay, this is only like math. In the small classes we do 1 plus 1. In bigger classes we do the algebraic expressions algebraic expressions and extra. So this is only same thing. There is one statement and there is second statement. If both statement give true and will make it true, like if I make a table for you, um one as your first statement and uh, second statement. Now result. Okay, now it's, it's good. I will also add a tab over here. So, if the first statement is true and the second statement is also true, then result will be true. If first statement is true, second statement is false, then false. First statement is false, second is true, then also false. Means if one of the statement is false, then the output will be false. Okay. Same thing. This I now you got it. Control check. Now, what all does? If one of the statement is true, then it will give true. If both are false, it will give false. Okay. Like if I give you an example of or, first statement, is it of no tab. Mm, if one of the statement is true, then the answer will be then the result will be true. Okay, so false, it will be false only. Tab. Yes, it's now it's good. If one of the statement is true, then it will give true, else false. Okay. True. Okay. This thing is happens in our, like, if the day is Sunday or day is Saturday, then it is holiday. If both days are, it can't possible, but we just think, we just imagine that, um then it will be holiday. Okay. Or does this thing. And now there is also a very very easy and important shortcut method, that is this thing. Like you can use this much big if else statement in this single line. What it does, result, in result pass. Okay. If marks are greater than 40, greater than or equals to 40, print pass if the marks are greater than or equals to 40. Else print fail. Isn't it? It's very easy to understand. Like, if I just run this. Okay, now you got it. Like, I have printed the output. So here marks are 75. So grade B must be there. Yes, grade B is there. Now here is 25. Then it is working is yes. And we can also use the if else statement without else. You see, like, now if I print this, firstly you see pass. Okay, it's good. Result pass. Okay, because where's the marks? Yes, because marks are 75 now. Yes, here's 75. Now I will run this thing. See, if there is no else, it will not print any output. Okay. If you want the notes, you can just go to the description box and click on the link will you will be directed to this page, and here you can get the all the things that you want, like day 9 if else statement. Here's the main.py. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye bye, we will meet in the next video.